You will love the features of this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 35,000 miles on the Chevrolet Equinox, the small SUV with a big spirit of adventure. Passenger-friendly, loaded with safety features, and great for hauling cargo, it's an ideal family car. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, lane departure warning, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, remote engine start. Why settle for a vehicle that's merely functional when you can have style as well? Get into the Equinox and go places.